Today we're going to be taking a look at this Kohler toilet. We're going to be saving ourselves some money. It's been leaking water. Water's been going from the tank down into the toilet, running slowly. We shut the water off down at the bottom over here to see how much water we're losing. And overnight, we lost a whole tank of water in 8 hours. We're losing about 3 tanks of water in a 24-hour period. Over time, it's going to cost us a lot of money. So, we take a look at the tank. This thing here pops up and down every time it flushes. There's a seal on the bottom of it. It's getting old. It's not even 4 years old. So we're going to head down to the wholesalers to pick up that seal, get that seal replaced so the water doesn't leak out. We're going to save ourselves some money. Here we go, just got back from the wholesaler, and this is what we got. The Kohler, this seal is yellow. The old one was red. Just got soft and wore out with sitting in the water the whole time. They said they were having a problem with the old seal, and this is what's going to solve our problem and last a lot longer. So let's get at her. We're going to turn the water off down here. We'll give that a shut off. There we go, she's shut off. We're going to let the water out. Pull this out of here. This, push down, reaching as far as you can, and give it a quarter turn, and it comes right up. Quarter turn, up she comes. And there's the old seal that's got to come off. We'll take this off. Do it all one-handed so you can see it all. There you go. We'll open up the new package and put the gasket on. Well, there you have it. Seal went on very nice and easy. Place this back down. Right over top of there. Goes in the hole. Push down, give it a quarter turn, nice and snug. Put her water hose back on. There we go. Reach down over here, turn the water on. Well, there you have it. We're going to save ourselves some money, save some water. The more money you save, all the better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next project.